Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipop tassels. First, gather your materials: tissue paper, a good pair of scissors, and your favorite lollipop. You will need 2 sheets of tissue paper for each tassel you plan to create. Make sure each sheet measures approximately 6 inches by 8 inches. This size works perfectly for most standard lollipops, giving you enough material to create a beautiful, full tassel. Now let's prepare the tissue paper. Stack your 2 sheets of tissue paper neatly on top of each other. Then, fold the stacked paper in half lengthwise. Using your scissors, carefully cut fringe strips along the folded edge. Make these strips about 0.25 inches wide, but be sure to leave a 1-inch border uncut at the top. This border will be crucial for attaching the tassel later. With your fringe cut, it's time to attach it to the lollipop. Gently unfold the fringed tissue paper, laying it flat. Position the lollipop stick along the uncut 1-inch border of the tissue paper. Make sure the lollipop itself is centered. Now, carefully and tightly roll the tissue paper around the lollipop stick. This creates a secure base for your tassel, ensuring it stays in place. To finish your beautiful lollipop tassel, secure the rolled tissue paper with a small piece of tape around the base, just above the lollipop. This prevents it from unraveling. Finally, gently fluff out the fringe to create a full, festive appearance. Your handmade lollipop tassel is now complete and ready to brighten any treat. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.